YM Packaging is a company specializing in the manufacture of packaging, case packing, and palletizing machinery. Today, we are presenting a high-output horizontal packaging line, designed for a leading client in the UK's nut sector. The project consists of 3 packaging lines and 1 case packing line, fully integrated to operate in a synchronized and efficient manner. Each line is equipped with a 14-head multi-head weigher, fed via a venturi system that ensures a constant and precise product flow. In this case, each weigher handles a different product, allowing for flexible production adapted to multiple SKUs. The 1.6-litre, 4th-generation multi-head weighers stand out for their speed and accuracy in packaging nuts and granular products. They offer a weighing range from 10 to 3,500 grams per discharge, achieving up to 90 discharges per minute, depending on the product. Each weigher feeds a horizontal form-fill-seal machine capable of handling multiple bag formats: stand-up pouches with zipper, spouted pouches, and 3 seal bags. Their pouches format versatility allows our client to adapt production to the ever-changing demands of the market. These machines are designed to form, fill, and seal pouches at speeds of up to 60 pouches per minute. In addition, they feature a no-pouch, no-product system. Thanks to intelligent sensors, the machine detects whether a pouch is in place to receive the product. If not, the discharge is halted. This prevents any waste, keeps the line clean, and ensures a more efficient process. Once sealed, the pouches are conveyed to the ABB pick and place robots. These machines, known as spider robots, are renowned for their speed, precision, and reliability in product handling. Each robot picks the pouches directly from the conveyor and places them neatly onto the transport belts, aligning them in rows of 3. The system operates at high speed, consistently maintaining product flow without errors, thereby ensuring the integrity of each bag. Thanks to this technology, the process is fully automated, combining high production capacity with maximum precision. From here, the pouches move already organized towards the automatic collator, ready for the next stage of the process. The automatic collator organizes the pouches according to the layout defined for the box, a specific number of rows and columns, based on the established design. Once a batch is complete, it transfers the pouches onto the feed conveyor of the wraparound case packer for final packing. This conveyor is fully synchronized with the case packer and moves at the same pace at which the boxes are formed and loaded, ensuring a continuous, uninterrupted workflow. The wraparound case packer forms boxes from cardboard sheets, loads the pouches from the side, and seals them with hot glue, reaching speeds of up to 15 boxes per minute. As a result of this system, it is possible to pack different SKUs in the same box, optimizing both space and the presentation of the final product. At YM Packaging, we design fully customized lines, tailored to your product and production pace. Get in touch with us and find out how we can help you optimize your packaging process.